对一下，看这样正不正确。Number 1, what color is your pencil? Number 2, my book is yellow.
等下去厕所再
Number 3, no, it is not. Number 4, is it pink? Number 5, what color is it? Number 6, my book is not blue. Number 7, it is green. Number 8, is your pen red?